In tonight's episode, I take a look at Andrew Tate's Bugatti Chiron's number plate.
No way.
I film some rollers. I learn how to fix a flat tire.
Pull that out, shove this in.
So the pressure's low on my tire. Thank God I've got one of these little pumps. Look how low the PSI is.
I'm trying to get free electric.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
But how do you do it?
Basically, if you point your arm up at like 45 degrees.
Yeah.
45 degrees.
Yeah.
I think this is northeast.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you can get electric. It comes through your arm. But I have to touch something. Maybe if I touch. It's working.
yeah. Listen, honestly.
It's working.
Yeah. What is it, Z, you want to show me?
I just wanted to show you how loud I can burp. Hold on.
Go on then.
Did you hear that?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that why I came here?
Well, why did you come here for then?
I thought it was going to be cool, we're going to make a cool video.
I'll show you a light.
Go on
I
then.
made this light.
Go on. That?
Yeah, look.
What the hell is that?
You see that?
Oh, wow. Why did you want me to come down?
I didn't want you to come down. Tell me the truth. Why are you here, bro?
You know why? I wanted to get some rollers of your car, bro.
Okay.
Are you on that?
Yeah, okay. Do I have to pay anything for that?
For you, there's no charge, my friend.
Alright, let's do
For
it.
you,
Bro.
everything's free.
Let's do it. But honestly, like, that still can't be the main reason why you're here. You're doing something for me, and there's nothing in it for you.
Yeah, basically what happened, yeah? When I left my house, yeah?
Now we're coming to the truth.
Yeah, when I left my house, my tyre went a bit dodgy, yeah? But because I was on the road, I thought I'd come and see you for that reason.
Oh.
Can you sort my tyre out?
We're gonna have a look at it.
And he's been banging on, he wants me to see his bloody website. Oh, big bloody deal. Go and show.
Man.
Who did you do that?
I took these pictures.
No way. Are you a photographer as well?
I try, you know what I mean? I try.
I shouldn't really post this video then, because I might lose business. They might just come to you.
Come on, look at some of these pictures, bro. Look at some of these pictures.
Wow.
I took these in London, mate.
No way.
Christmas Day, Christmas evening, with Shabs and Sarim from MSL Customs.
Okay.
But anyway, look, I'm really proud of my website because I built it myself.
Okay, let's have a look.
I'm gonna show you.
Can I be honest when I see it?
Yeah, be honest, bro. Be honest.
Okay.
So the first picture is.
That is, you know what? That is shit.
What? Bro. So these are some of the banner pictures.
Yeah.
This is my mate's A3 that we were fully wrapped, etc, etc.
Okay.
In today's video, we have Kane, who's come down in this insanely wrapped Audi A3 Stage 2.
This is Top G.
Why are you nicking the picture and?
Yeah, I find I nicked the picture, but the reason I put it up there is because what it says there. Look, in 2022, we were commissioned to create bespoke, designed and shaped front and rear plates for the Top G Andrew Tate Dubai.
What? Wait.
What?
You're talking tatty.
I'm not, bro. Look, I'll show you.
What?
I got it, man.
You made plates for Andrew Tate?
Because the brother ain't about at the moment, I had to just keep it shelved.
Z, are you talking crap?
No, bro, look.
So how comes that don't? No way.
This is for his Chiron, but obviously due to unforeseen circumstances, he's unable to. Well, I'm unable to get these to him, but yeah, they ordered these.
Z.
Wait, just sitting
when?
There. This was a couple of months ago.
So he came to you and he said, "Can you?"
No, he didn't come to me. So he came through his his people.
So Z, listen, just before the M1, pull up at the petrol station. So is that junction 11?
Yeah.
So pull up at junction 11. I'll jump in the other car. I'll sit in the boot and I'll get the rollers. Yeah, is that cool?
Sounds good to me, bro.
Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous. Watch this, bro. So I'm thinking, after I get myself warm and that, I'm gonna lift the car up, take the wheel off, spin it about, see if there's any screws or nails in it.
But do you reckon it can be a nail?
I think so, because it's like a really slow puncture, isn't it?
Yeah, because what's happening, like over time it just goes less, and then I top it up and it goes less again.
Yeah.
But it lasts for a couple of days, man.
Let's see it, it's worth a check.
Jacking the car up now. Are you a bit of a jack?
Jack the lad, bro.
What are you playing, tug of war?
That's it. Just trying to get it stuck, innit? So I can.
Trying to get it stuck?
Yeah, so it doesn't roll back in.
What is that anyway, this yellow water pipe? Are you going to wash my car?
Yeah, I thought if I wash it first.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's filthy.
Is the gun failing?
Yeah, it looks like they're super tight. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to crack them off with my breaker bar first.
Yo, what? You're not breaking my car?
Oh my god, the last person that put these on put it on too tight, mate.
Serious?
This is too tight.
Are you having enough protein?
Mate, all I'm saying is, whoever put this on last
Yeah.
is a nutter.
So did that come off alright then?
Oh yeah, luckily we managed to get it off with the breaker bar.
Yeah.
Now I can just do the last bit with my trusty blue pop.
Whoa.
My trusty. Right, now let's see if we can find the puncture. Oh, I found it.
Ah, you legend. There is. Where?
You see this thing? It's a nut, bro. It's a screw. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's a screw that's got.
You called it, you know that?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is, let's see if there's any more. There's one there, we know. I'm going to pull that out.
With what?
So what I'm going to do is, we'll come over here, I'll show you guys. We'll come over here, I've got my little puncture repair kit. So, my puncture repair kit.
First aid kit?
Yeah, it's
for
like
the
a
tires.
first aid kit for tyres. I'm going to grab something from here. I don't know what these things are called, but let's grab some of these things.
I think they're called prolongs and actuators.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna get like a pliers, pull that out, shove this in. You see this thing here?
Yeah.
This is like
puncture repair kit.
There's like a sticky bit of rubber.
Right.
And this is what's gonna like close the hole.
Right. Let me come around. Hold on.
So I've got this through here.
Yeah.
This, when I'm ready, I'm gonna force this in to this hole, and then this is basically gonna like, you know,
fill in the gap.
Yeah, fill in the gap so the air can't come out. So what I've got to do is I've got to get this out now.
Okay, how do we do that?
So this is probably not the right way to do it, but I've got a few little things that I do to help me. Look, can you see?
What is that, a spade? Oh shit. Oh my god, was this part of the plan?
No, I didn't realise it would come out so quick. I thought it was going to require a lot of force. But anyway, now this thing here is helping me to make a nice enough hole for the next thing to go in.
Okay.
So I've got this.
Wow.
Alright, so you see I'm plugging the hole now. That's it.
Whoa. Where's the air gone?
The air is still in the tyre.
No, but it's not going.
That's because you see it. Yeah, this little sticky rubber thing has filled the gap, and then I chop off the excess with my trusty little knife. Look.
Oh yeah, just another piece of rubber.
Yeah, now that will just basically take shape.
Wow, wow, Vicky.